In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an accounts payable aging report in QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account so you're working from your company file. Once you're in, look to the left navigation panel and open the Reports section. This is the reporting hub where you can find everything from profit and loss to vendor balances. In the search bar at the top of the Reports page, start typing Accounts Payable Aging. You'll see two main options, Summary and Detail. Choose Summary if you want a clean snapshot of what you owe by vendor across aging buckets. Choose Detail if you need to see each individual bill, its due date, and how many days it's been outstanding. If you're preparing for a quick check-in or leadership update, Summary is perfect. If you're resolving specific vendor questions, the Detail version is more helpful. Next, set the date range for the report. Most aging reports work on an as-of date, meaning you're looking at balances up to a specific point in time. For month-end reporting, pick the last day of the month. If you need a current snapshot, use today's date. Setting a consistent date helps you compare results period over period and keeps your aging buckets aligned. Run the report to generate the results. You'll see aging columns such as current, 130, 3160, 6190, and 91 and over. Current shows bills not yet due. The other columns show how long bills have been outstanding past their due dates. Review vendor totals and check for any unexpected negatives, which usually indicate credits or overpayments. If you're using the detail report, scan for duplicate bills, unusually old balances, or invoices missing due dates, as those can skew your aging. Make sure large balances are sitting where you expect them to be, and note any vendors that require immediate follow-up based on payment terms. When you're ready to share or archive the results, export or print the report. Use the export option to send it to Excel if you want to add notes or perform additional analysis, or export to PDF for a clean, shareable snapshot. Printing is handy for team meetings or approvals. Consider saving a copy to your month-end folder so you have a clear audit trail of what was owed at that point in time. That's it. By signing in, navigating to reports, selecting the right accounts payable aging view, setting your date, reviewing the results, and exporting or printing, you'll have a reliable, actionable picture of what you owe and when it's due.